Are you a student looking for ways to earn money without compromising your studies? Or perhaps you're just curious about passive income opportunities? If so, you've come to the right place. We're about to embark on a journey exploring the fascinating world of passive income, a realm where money works for you, not the other way around. Passive income is a concept that's been gaining traction worldwide, and it's particularly relevant for students. Why, you ask? Well, it's simple. As students, you're constantly juggling studies, extracurricular activities, and perhaps even part-time jobs. Wouldn't it be great if there was a way to earn money that didn't require trading your precious time? Imagine making money while you sleep, or while you're engrossed in a captivating lecture. Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But it's not. It's a reality for many, and it could be for you too. From creating YouTube content, selling old textbooks, investing in cryptocurrency, to freelancing, there are numerous ways to generate passive income. So buckle up, folks. Stay tuned as we dive into these passive income opportunities that can help you balance your financial needs and academic obligations. First up, let's talk about YouTube content creation. YouTube is a platform that thrives on creativity and innovation, making it an exciting way to generate passive income. As students, you all have unique perspectives and experiences that can translate into engaging content. But how do you actually make money from it? Well, YouTube has a partner program that allows creators to earn money from ads and YouTube Premium subscribers watching their content. To qualify, you'll need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over the past 12 months. Sounds like a big task, doesn't it? But remember, every successful YouTuber started from zero. Building a following is all about consistency, authenticity, and understanding what your audience wants. Whether it's educational content, vlogs, or entertaining skits, find your niche and stick to it. Engage with your audience, reply to comments, and make sure you're delivering value in every video. Creating YouTube content not only earns you passive income, it also enhances your creativity and communication skills. Win-win, isn't it? Got a pile of old textbooks gathering dust? Why not turn them into cash? It's easier than you might think. Many online platforms exist specifically for this purpose, making the process simple and straightforward. By selling your old textbooks, you not only declutter your space but also contribute to the recycling of educational materials. It's a win-win situation. You get to make some extra money, and someone else gets to learn from the books you no longer need. So before you toss out those old textbooks, consider selling them online. Your wallet will thank you. Next, let's delve into the world of cryptocurrency. It's a digital or virtual form of currency that uses cryptography for security, making it extremely difficult to counterfeit. But why should students consider investing in it? Well, cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, has shown potential for significant returns. It's like having a share in a company, but instead, you're buying a piece of a digital entity. However, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. It's important to remember that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile. Prices can skyrocket one day and plummet the next. So how can a student invest wisely? The key is to do your homework. Research about the different types of cryptocurrencies, their market trends, and their potential for growth. Try to understand the technology behind them. It's also a good idea to start small. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Another important point to consider is to never put all your eggs in one basket. Diversify your investments. And remember, patience is key, as cryptocurrency investments are typically long-term. Remember, cryptocurrency investing can be risky, but with careful planning and research, it can also be a profitable venture. Now, how about using your skills to earn some extra cash? Yes, you heard that right. Welcome to the world of freelancing, a lucrative way to generate passive income. Picture this, you're a student with a knack for graphic design, writing, programming, or maybe you're a whiz at tutoring. Freelancing platforms like Upwork are a goldmine for students like you. You see, freelancing isn't just about making money, it's about honing your skills, building a portfolio, and gaining practical experience in your field of interest. Imagine graduating with not only a degree, but a portfolio full of real-world projects. That's an edge that can set you apart in the job market. But remember, freelancing requires dedication and discipline. It's like running your own mini-business. You'll need to manage your time effectively and always deliver your best work. For those willing to rise to the challenge, freelancing can be a rewarding and profitable venture. Freelancing not only provides a source of income, it also helps you build a portfolio and gain practical experience in your field of interest. So why not give it a shot? Your skills are your currency, and the world is your marketplace. Let's look at 3 more passive income opportunities. First up, consider creating and selling online courses. Are you a master in Python programming? Or do you have a knack for teaching English? Platforms like Udemy offer you a chance to monetize your knowledge. You create the course once and earn every time someone enrolls. Next, let's talk about starting a blog or website. This might require a bit of technical knowledge and time investment up front, but the rewards can be great. Once you have a steady stream of traffic, you can start earning through affiliate marketing. This is where you promote products or services on your site and earn a commission for every purchase made through your referral link. Car rental services. That's right, if you have a car that spends more time in the parking lot than on the road, why not rent it out? Services like Turo allow you to list your car for rent when you're not using it. This can be particularly profitable if you live in a city or near a tourist hotspot. These are just a few more ways you can make money work for you. It's all about finding what suits your skills and lifestyle best. Remember, the key to successful passive income is diversification. So why limit yourself to one source when you can explore so many? And there's more! Ever considered participating in sleep studies? Yes, you heard that right. Some universities and research institutions pay for your time and participation in sleep studies. It's an intriguing way to earn while you literally snooze. Now, moving on to something more active, pet sitting. If you're an animal lover, this could be a win-win situation. Not only do you get to spend time with adorable furry friends, but you also get paid for it. It's a flexible job that you can squeeze in between your classes and study sessions. And last but not least, let's talk about renting out bikes. If you're in a campus town where bikes are a popular mode of transportation, this could be a gold mine. You can rent out your bike when it's not in use, or even invest in a few more bikes to create a small rental service. Each of these methods comes with its own set of benefits and challenges, but the key is to find something that aligns with your interests, time availability, and financial goals. These are just a few of the many passive income opportunities available to students. Be creative and find what works best for you. So there you have it, various ways to earn passive income as a student. We've explored everything from YouTube content creation to selling old textbooks, and even delving into the world of cryptocurrency investing. We've also discussed the potential of freelancing, from editing to tutoring, and a whole host of other opportunities that could put extra cash in your pocket. Why not start with what you have? Got some old textbooks gathering dust? Why not sell them? Or maybe you have a knack for creating engaging content. YouTube could be your platform, and if you're tech savvy, the world of cryptocurrency might just be your gold mine. Remember, these are just a few of the countless ways to generate passive income. It's all about finding what works for you, and starting small. Don't be afraid to explore, learn, and grow. Remember, every penny counts when you're a student. So start exploring these passive income opportunities today, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and advice. Until next time, keep hustling.